In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do casual post on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn have does not option for post casual post. So first I need to download mm, this is a casual post. You can see here a file. So I need to download this as a PDF. Recommend you. Then click on download. Then it's going to PDF standard. Then click on download as well. So I use Canva. Canva is absolutely free video and photo editing software. So this link I will also add on my video description. You can check it. Okay, download done. Now going on LinkedIn. Wow. Start a post. Just click here. Then click on this plus icon. Again, add a document. Then choose a file. Okay, this one. Then here are you can describe your PDF casual post options. So I write here MN story. This is only for example purpose. Okay, upload are maybe done. Maybe done. Okay, now click on done. Now if you want to add a post story like 2 line 5 line 10 line as you need. So if you don't need, just click on post. So here are schedule for letter option available, you can use as well. So I don't need. If I click on post, so click on post. Okay, this one you can see it's visual post already done. So if I click on right button, wow, here are the five option available. So that's it. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.